Top 3 AI tools every small business should be using in 2025.
3, 2, 1.
You're working too hard. These 3 AI tools will save you hours in editing, content creation, and client messaging. No tech skills needed. Tool number 1, ChatGPT for content ideas. Stop guessing what to post. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm content calendars, product captions, or customer emails in seconds. Tool number 2, Pictory or OpusClip for video content. Don't want to edit videos? These tools turn your long videos or Zoom recordings into short-form reels with auto captions, B-roll, and cuts. Tool number 3, Canva Magic Studio. From thumbnails to Instagram posts, Canva's AI now does it all. Just describe what you want, it builds it in seconds. Not sure where to start? We help small businesses and solopreneurs edit videos, write captions, and manage your social media, all powered by AI. Want to automate your marketing without losing your mind? Links in the description, or just comment AI ready and we'll reach out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.